Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about Green's theorem. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put about b for sy and q for s square. So we apply the formula in here. If we apply the formula of Green's theorem, they will be like this. That's about double integrals, and we have d, and the next one that should be about first derivative of the function of q with respect to s minus first derivative of b with respect to y, and we have di in here. Now we can apply the formula in here for this one and this one. So the q with respect of s, first derivative of s square, we have 2s. First derivative of b with respect to y, we have the negative sign here. And we have negative s. The next one, we have the region of s equal to number 0, s square plus y square equals to number 1, and s is greater than or equals to number 0. So 2s minus s, we have only s. So we need to graph the region in here. This is about the circle with the radius is about number 1 and the center is about 0, 0. So s equal to number 0, that's about this one. S is greater than number 0, that's about this one. And the area we need to concentrate, that is about this one. So we just concentrate about this one only. So we can transform this one into polar coordinates. That means we have s equals to r cosine theta, y equals to r sine theta, and we have dA should be about r dr d theta. The next one, that's about the bounds. We need to change the new bounds in here. About s, we need to change into r cosine theta. About dr, that is about the radius of the circle, so they should be about from 0 to number 1. About d theta, so we start from here. This is about negative b, negative b over 2. So from here we go to this one, and this one, that is about b over 2. So I just apply about trigonometric circle. That wise we have negative b over 2 to positive b over 2. Now we need to calculate about this one. The integration of r you got about r squared over 2. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. And I will put about cosine theta in here. So I will put number 1 gone here, number 0 gone here. So we have 1 over 2. The integration of cosine theta, we have sine theta. So we put this one gone here and this one gone here. So we have the final answer. So we have number 2. We simplify and you got about number 1. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.